The folded size of this canoe is slightly larger than my last boat, but I don't have problem fitting it inside my car. Today we are going to look at how to assemble this canoe. For all the boats I've built, this canoe is the easiest one to assemble. The whole canoe is made up of 7 components: the large plastic shell, the floor, the seat, 2 U-shaped cross beams made from a 1/2-inch PVC pipe, and 2 lashings, one in the front and one at the back. This is the 3rd time I assemble this canoe, and I'm still trying to figure out what's the best way to do it. Therefore, I'm doing it very slowly. I bent the 1/2-inch PVC pipe to make this 2 U-shaped cross beam, and I have to fine-tune them so that it will fit into the slots I created on the gunnel. And they are not interchangeable because everything is handmade, and it's difficult to make them to be interchangeable. I usually keep the lashings there so I don't have to thread it through the holes and make the assembly faster. In this demonstration, I use the lock on the lashing to tighten the lashing. Usually I don't use that locking mechanism. I prefer just to tie a knot. To me, that is more reliable. It is also faster too. I also have markings on the cross beam, so I know exactly how much the beam need to be inserted into the slot on the gunnel. I plan to add one more lashing at the center, just in case, being on the safe side for my water test. This canoe weighs about 16 pounds. This canoe is built with a 6mm thick chloroplast, and it's strong enough for me to step on it. But if you are using the 4mm thick chloroplast, just be careful because your body weight could easily collapse the chloroplast. Now I'm done with the assembly, and it feels pretty strong and solid. It took about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and I believe I can get it done in 1.5 minutes next time. Again, thanks for your support and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please do, so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.